One thing to note when installing your CTs, different manufacturers of panels can potentially switch the side that your line inputs are on. For this case, we have our black on our line 1 or the left side of the panel and our red on the right side of the panel. What we're going to do is just do a simple continuity test to ensure that CT1 is on the same line as our grid input of line 1. Again, I'm going to grab my multimeter, switch it to continuity. I'm then going to place my black probe on line 1 and take my red probe and place it on line 1 on the inverter. I hear the audible ring of the multimeter, which indicates that there is continuity, and I can repeat that step, placing my black probe on L2, or the red, and L2 down here. So I know that CT2 is placed on my far right line, and CT1 is placed on my far left line, or L1. After performing our continuity test, we've confirmed that L1 is the same L1 on our grid input terminal block, and that our CT1 is placed on that same line, as well as our L2 is the same L2 on the grid input terminal block, and that CT is placed and installed on input 2. And this concludes installing the CTs.